NIL stands for name, image, and likeness. Name, image, and likeness, when referred to in common media today, is really just encapsulating entrepreneurial behaviors in social media, in brand building, and turning your brand into something that's a monetizable asset.
One of the most critical aspects of support at UConn for NIL activity with our student athletes is Championship Labs.
When I went to Championship Labs, I already had a brand which is called True Bunnies. Like, I've had that since I've been a sophomore or freshman in high school. They really helped me take that brand to the next level by providing the right resources, different graphic designers, videographers, photographers, and just people who helped me market it to try to make it more attainable and increase the demand for it, really. I think the biggest thing for creating that demand is definitely just going out on the court and winning games.
And a dunk! Andre Jackson rising above!
I think the Werth Institute is able to provide the UConn athletic department an asset that other athletic departments don't have. Our approach to meeting the student first isn't common even in the entrepreneurship space. It's not us working for them, it's us working together.
We're trying to create long-lasting impact as it relates to the transformation of our student athletes. We want to see our student athletes create, learn, and have the opportunity to build something so that when they leave here, they can have even greater success down the road. And it's not just because they were a UConn student athlete.
Championship Labs is definitely something that I'll always keep close to me. If I end up going past this and having a professional career, I'm definitely going to be giving back to stuff like this because this is what I want. I want young kids to be able to make money for their families. Maybe if they don't even get to the chance to make it pro, they still have the opportunity to come to college and get a free education and also make money and be an entrepreneur.
I can't think of how many times someone has asked me, how do you teach someone to be an entrepreneur? And ultimately, the answer is you don't teach them how to be an entrepreneur. You give them the platform to fail as an entrepreneur without having to pay a steep price. And that's what we try to do every single day.